A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we will discuss about desert plants. Desert plants. Students, you know that here 9 desert plants. 9 desert plants. First is palm tree. Second is argan pipe cactus. Third is desert lily. Fourth is saguaro. Fifth is elephant tree. Sixth is desert marigold. Then barrel cactus, desert sag and desert willow tree. Okay. First of all, students, we will gain knowledge about all these desert plants. Okay. First is palm tree. Palm tree is, its scientific name is Ericaceae. Palm trees scientific name is Ericaceae. Ericaceae are a botanical family of perennial flowering plants in the monocots order Ericales. Their growth form can be climbers, shrub, tree like and stem-less plant, and this is a stem-less plant. Okay, all commonly known as palm. It is stemless plants, all commonly known as palm. Now second is argan pipe cactus. Argan pipe cactus. Its scientific name is Stenochirus thurberei. Stenochirus thurberei. Stenochirus thurberei, the argan pipes cactus is a species of cactus native to Mexico and United States. The species is found in rocky desert. It means that argan pipe cactus is found in rocky desert. Now third is desert lily. Its scientific name is Hesperocallis. Hesperocallis. Hesperocallis is a genus of flowering plants that includes a single species, Hesperocallis undulata. Hesperocallis undulata, known as desert lily. Hesperocallis undulata is known as desert lily. It is found in southwestern North America. Okay, students. Now fourth is saguaro. Okay, saguaro. Its scientific name is Carnegie gigantea. Carnegie gigantea. Okay. The saguaro is a tree like cactus species in the monotypes. That can grow to be over 40 feet tall. It is a native to the Sonoran Desert in Arizona. Okay. Now fifth is elephant tree. Its scientific name is Bursera microphylla. It is a North American species. Its common name is elephant tree. Elephant tree in English or toreti in Spanish. Okay. Its common name elephant tree in English and toreti in Spanish. It found in US and Mexico. Okay, students. Now desert marigold Ballia. Its scientific name is Ballia. Okay. It is a genus of plants in the aster family, Asteraceae. All are native to the southwestern United States and to Mexico. Now seventh is barrel cactus. Barrel cactus are various member of the two genera Echinocactus and Ferocactus found in the desert of southwestern North America. Okay. Now eighth is desert sage. Desert sage, its scientific name is Salvia dory. Salvia dory, family Lamiaceae, and it is native to mountain areas of United States. Now desert willow tree. Desert willow tree, its scientific name is Chilopsis. Okay, Chilopsis linearis. Chilopsis linearis, its leaves are willow-like. Leaves are willow-like, so that is called desert willow tree. Because its leaves are just like a willow. Okay. Now students, let's see your book. Okay, let's see your book. Yes students, let's see in your book. The desert plants are unique. They are sturdily built to adopt the toughness and extremely of desert. Identify the flora and write its name with the help of clue box given below. Okay students, here this is a first is, this is called marigold. This is called desert marigold. Desert. So students, you write here desert marigold. Okay, you can write here desert marigold. Now in second, this is a palm like structure. Okay, you can write here palm tree. Okay students, palm tree. You can write here palm tree. Now third is called barrel cactus. This is called barrel cactus. So you can write here barrel cactus. Okay students, you can write here barrel cactus. Now this is desert lily. This is called desert lily. Fourth is desert lily. You can write here desert lily. Now fifth is saguaro. You can write here saguaro. And in 6 you can write here organ pipe cactus. Organ pipe cactus. Okay students, organ pipe cactus. Now here you can write in 7 clue box desert willow tree. Desert willow tree. Desert willow tree. Okay, this is a desert willow tree. And now 8th is elephant tree. This is called elephant tree. So you can write here elephant tree. Okay, 8th is elephant tree. Now last one is desert sag. Desert sag. Okay, so students, here first is desert marigold, second is palm tree, third is barrel cactus, fourth is desert lily, fifth is saguaro and organ pipe cactus, here desert willow tree, elephant tree and desert sag. Okay students, thank you very